You know, Phuket is the largest island in Thailand, and it's probably one of the most beautiful islands around the area as well. It's known as the Pearl of the Andaman, and it's a very, very blessed destination. There's several beaches around, and the Karon area is one of the largest beaches on the island and one of the most beautiful. In total, we're 224 rooms, and we have lots of different room types for different kinds of customer. The customer is looking at the brand of Novotel as something that they can feel that they can rely on to provide them with a certain standard of service, a certain standard of food and beverage, and a good experience that they can rely on. You know, air conditioning is a very interesting part of putting a hotel together, because it's one of these things people don't really think about until it doesn't work. And thankfully, nobody's thinking about air conditioning in this hotel. And the reason that the Samsung product was chosen was you've got a very high energy efficiency content to the actual product. And this efficiency at a very high level with the Samsung product makes sure that we're doing our part to conserve the world environment. Obviously, there's a knock-on effect of using less energy is lower costs. And running a business unit to keep your costs under control is extremely important. The second part for us is really about the attractiveness of the product. Slit very nicely inside the room. In fact, they're invisible apart from the air vent, which makes the attractiveness of the product for us something that doesn't impact the guest experience negatively at all. The customer doesn't need to think about it because they don't see it.
We have limited space to install the air conditioner. The Samsung product is very slim, so it's made us easier to install.
And the third thing is obviously it's the ease of the install and the maintenance factor that you use the product for. To have something go in that's easy to put it in means that it's easy to use, means that it's easy to maintain. That preventative maintenance schedule of making sure that filters are clean, that the product is being maintained properly, is made easy for us because it's the ease of install and the ease of access.
We have a very intelligent control. Everything can monitor and control from the control room, even to the mobile phone. We are the first brand to implement mobile application to control air conditioning system from the mobile phone. This makes more easy and efficient for customers to operate the air conditioning system, especially for the big project like this.
We have different sizes of rooms, we have different operating conditions, we have different amounts of airflow coming through in different parts of the resort, and the Samsung product has reliably worked in all of those areas, in those different environments, providing a great experience for our guests.
100% sure I will use the Samsung air conditioning system for my project in the future.
Absolutely, yes. The Samsung product is very reliable. I would recommend it to anyone.